Hello everyone and welcome to today's online class for class 11. The next question is saying that if a particular Excel solution contains 22% of acid by weight, then how much quantity of this acid solution will be required to produce 1 liter CO2 gas at 27 degrees Celsius and 760 millimeter pressure from pure calcium carbonate. Now, the reaction is saying that the calcium carbonate is reacting with HCl and carbon dioxide is producing. Now the chemical reaction will be follows. For this particular chemical reaction is CaCO3HCl, that will give CaCl2 plus CO2 plus H2O. Now to balance this entire equation, we need to multiply 2 with the HCl and it will give our balanced chemical reaction. Meaning that 1 mole of CO3 is required to react with 2 mole of HCl gas to produce 1 mole of carbon dioxide gas. Now, molecular mass of HCl is 36.5 gram per mole. Now, 1 mole HCl mass is 36.5 gram per mole. We needed 2 mole of HCl. Therefore, the mass of the HCl that will be reacting in this particular reaction is 73 gram of HCl. When react with 1 mole of calcium carbonate, it will produce 1 mole of CO2. As it is gas, we can say 22.4 liter of CO2 gas will be produced at STP. Now this is the information for regarding this chemical reaction. Now in the question they have also said that 1 liter of CO2 has been produced at 760 mm of mercury at 27 degree Celsius temperature. Now, this is the volume of the CO2 produced at this temperature pressure condition. We are now going to find out at STP what will be the volume of this corresponding carbon dioxide. Now, STP meaning 760 mm of Hg and 273 Kelvin or 0 degrees Celsius. Therefore, by adding ideal gas law, we can find T1 V1 by T1 equals to P2 V2 by T2. By putting the values in their respective places, we will find 760 multiplied 1 liter divided by temperature 273 plus 27, it will give 300 Kelvin equals to P2 is 760 multiplied V2, that is the volume that we need to find out by 273. By simplifying this entire equation, we can find the value for V2 is 0.91 liter. This is the at STP. This is the carbon dioxide, volume of the carbon dioxide that has been produced. Now, we know that when 2.4 liter carbon dioxide gas is being produced, is produced by 73 gram of HCl reaction. When 73 gram of HCl is reacting, 22.4 liter is carbon dioxide at STP is being produced. In the opposite end, we can say that 22.4 liter of carbon dioxide gas at STP is produced when 73 gram of HCl is being reacted. Therefore, if 0.91 liter of CO2 is being produced, then the amount of HCl is needed 73 multiplied 0.91 divided by 22.4. This will give the amount 2.965 gram of HCl. Another information that they had given is that the acid HCl acid that they had taken is 22%. That is, when 22 gram HCl is needed, we need to take 100 gram of the HCl solution. But we are needed to take 2.965 gram HCl. Therefore, to get 2.965 gram HCl, the amount of HCl solution is needed can be calculated by unitary method by multiplying 100 into 2.965 divided by 22. This will give 13.48 gram. This is the amount of the solution that is required. 13.48 gram of HCl solution is required to produce 1 mole of 1 liter of CO2 at 760 millimeter of mercury and at 27 degrees Celsius temperature. The next numerical problem is the volume of oxygen liberated at 26 degrees Celsius and 740 millimeter of pressure due to the thermal decomposition of X gram of KClO3 and collected over water is 760 millimeter. Full stop. What is the value of X? The given information is that the aqueous tension at 26 degrees Celsius is 26 millimeter. Atomic mass of potassium is 39. Atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5 and atomic mass of oxygen is 16. This is the information that they had given. The question is saying that KCl is being decomposed. Now, when KCl decomposes KClO3, it decomposes as KCl plus O2 gas. Now, to balance this entire equation, we are going to multiply KClO3 with 2 and KCl with 2. And to balance oxygen, we are going to multiply 3 with the O2. Now, this is the balanced chemical equation which is saying that 2 mole of KClO3 is decomposed to produce 3 mole of O2. Now, 2 mole of O2 meaning 39 plus 35.5 plus 16 multiplied 3. This will give entirely 2 into 245 gram. 245 gram of KClO3, that is 2 mole of KClO3 or 245 gram KClO3 is decomposed and produce 77.2 liter of O2 at STP. This is the chemical information in this chemical reaction. This is general information in this chemical reaction. Now they have said that the amount of O2 that has produced is 760 ml, 760 milliliter O2 is produced when the temperature and pressure is 714 millimeter of Hg and 26 degrees Celsius. Now, aqueous tension means at 26 degrees Celsius, aqueous tension means aqueous tension 26 mm. That is the pressure of that is 714 millimeter of Hg is the pressure of oxygen and that of the vapor present in the atmosphere. The pressure only for oxygen will be we can find out by subtracting 740 millimeter of Hg minus 26. This will give 188 millimeter of Hg. Sorry, 688 millimeter of Hg. This is the pressure of oxygen without the vapor pressure. Now, and the temperature is 26 degrees Celsius, and at this temperature pressure condition, the volume of O2 is that has been produced is 760 millimeter of Hg. But we have to find out what will be the corresponding volume for this amount of O2 at STP, that is 760 millimeter of Hg and 273 Kelvin or 0 degree Celsius temperature. By applying ideal gas law, we can find that P1 V1 equals to P2 V2 by T2. By putting the corresponding values in their places, we can find that 688 multiply 760 ml of O2 divided by 273 plus 260 26, that will give 299 Kelvin equals to P2. P2 is the pressure at STP, that is 760 mm of Hg. V2, that we need to find out the volume at STP for oxygen, and the temperature at STP is 273 Kelvin. By doing the simplification, we can find the volume V2 as 628.17 ml or 0.628 liter. This is the amount of volume at STP that the oxygen is being produced. We know from this general chemical reaction and the information regarding this reaction that 77.2 liter of O2 at STP is produced when 245 gram of KClO3 decomposes. So we can say that 77.2 liter of O2 at STP is produced when 245 gram of KClO3 decomposes. But we have to find out the amount of KCl for 0.628 liter of O2. Therefore, when 0.628 liter of O2 at STP is produced, the amount of KClO3 that will be decomposed is going to find out by 245 multiplied 0.628 divided by 77.2. This will give 2.29 gram of KClO3. This is the amount of KClO3. 2.29 gram KClO3 will decompose to produce 0.628 liter of O2 at STP. which correspond to 760 ml of O2 at 714 millimeter of mercury and 26 degree Celsius temperature.